Okay, hello everybody. Good day. My name is Steven from Nigeria. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channels. God bless you. Okay, today I'm going to be teaching us how to make use of Travelport timetable. Galileo Travelport timetable. Travelport timetable. How to display timetable in Galileo. Okay, to display a timetable in Galileo, all you need to do is the code is tango. The first one I want to show us is showing. Okay, let me just tango Abuja to London Heathrow. This one what it does is showing all direct possibilities from Abuja to London Heathrow for today, for 28 days, showing all direct possibilities from Abuja to London Heathrow from today for 28 days. That's what this display is going to display for us. As you can see, from today, so the date to 6th January. This is 28 days to 6th January. You see, this one is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, from Abuja to London. I was getting it, so this is it. On Monday, the flights on Monday 1. This is represented by 1, 2, 3 to 7 again. Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2, Wednesday is 3, down to Sunday, which is 7. The same thing, Abuja to London, this is the timing. So this is the time. Okay. The next one I'm going to be showing us is display is a timetable same as above, as above, plus connection via a particular place. Example: timetable Amsterdam to Bangkok BKK dot Singapore. I want to display a timetable same as this above, but connecting in Singapore. That's what this displays. So you can see it. This is the timetable without airline. You can see this can fly on Tuesday. This can fly Tuesday 4 and 6. As you can see, you can move down. Sorry, you can move down. You can keep moving down. These are the airlines. In case you are looking for the airlines, these are the airlines here. Move down. Move down. Move down. Move down. Okay, that's all. It's finished. I don't think so. Okay, that's not finished. Move down. Keep moving down. Move down until you get to the ending. So these are the airlines here. For this day to this day, these are Amsterdam to this, connecting through Singapore. Connecting Singapore with what we displayed earlier. With this connecting through Singapore. Another example again. Let's do from Abuja, from Lagos to London, connected through Addis Ababa. I'm going to display only Ethiopia Airlines. You can see this BA Ethiopia. So you can actually display a timetable, start inputting your connecting point. That's as of today. Okay, the next I'm going to be showing us is how to display same as above, display direct flight and possible connection point. Now you are displaying as we've done before with possible connection points. For example, this one I'm going to do is with possible connection point. Just put Charlie here. I'm going to display. I want the system to display timetable for me, which airline from leaving from Lagos to London, possible connection points. As you can see, we have GS, Lagos to London, Lagos to London, Lagos to London, possible connection point. This another Air Maroc, Lagos to Casablanca, Casablanca to London. As you can see, flies this date and this date. Flies this date, this and this date. As you can see, all these are the dates they fly, the airline flies. As you can see, this is the information here. From Lagos to London. We move down. Keep moving down. Qatar. Possible connection points. Alright, the next I want to show us is by imputing the date. By putting the date, you are searching a timetable for a particular place or another with a specific date. For example, Tango. I want to declare a timetable 15th of December. 15th of December from Abuja to BKK, Bangkok. Let's see. There's no flight. Okay. Let's change it to Abuja to YYZ. No flight. Okay, let's change it to Abuja to Doha. Okay, now this is for 15th of December. These are displayed. See, Abuja to Doha, all are Qatar. End of display. Do you understand it? Next, I want to show us how to display details for a specific flight number. That's if you have the flight number, you can display a specific flight number. Display details for a specific flight number. The code GG kilo, that's KLM. The flight number is 1597. For which date? For 15th or 16th of December. Not available. Not available. So that's how to use the code. That's the code. So the next class is display possible direct connection to from a particular city. This display possible direct connection to or from a possible city. DC states MPN. See this information. Let's change it to another. Let's see. Let's see. This is possible. Display possible direct connection. This is possible direct connection. This to this, London to London. This to this, this to this. If you can just click it and see this city here. Okay. Move down. Move down. Move down. Okay. Keep moving down. The next is the display connection points between two cities. To display connection points, best connection point between two cities. To display connection point between two cities. Delta Charlie. Papa. The first connection point between two cities in to Amsterdam. This this is this is an information. This is it proper connection midpoint between two cities. As you can see, this. Move down. Let's see. This display. This display is to display a possible connection point between two cities. Another example. Okay, Lagos to Abuja to Lagos, Abuja to London. This to this. From Port Harcourt you can go, from Abuja you can go from here, you can go. Move down. So much. Another example. These are the possible connection due to these two cities. Okay, I think that's all for this class. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking and viewing my videos. Thank you very much. Love you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe this video.